Best hospital beds for comfort and care. Hospital beds play a vital role in patient recovery and well-being. They ensure safety, comfort, and proper support. For patients with varying needs, finding the best hospital bed can make a significant difference. Adjustable beds offer flexibility, allowing patients to find the most comfortable position. List number 1. Alternating air pressure mattress pad, the original bed sore prevention solution. Experience soothing relief with the Vive alternating air pressure mattress pad. Designed to prevent bed sores, this mattress topper is perfect for hospital and home use. Includes a waterproof, heat-resistant cushion pad for added comfort and durability. The Whisper Quiet pump ensures an uninterrupted, peaceful rest. Enjoy the benefits of this reliable and comfortable bed sore prevention solution. Ideal for anyone seeking enhanced comfort and care. Advantages: provides effective pressure relief for bed sores and ulcers. Comfort and peace. List number 2. Your Pressure Redistribution Foam Hospital Bed. Discover the Medicure Pressure Redistribution Foam Hospital Bed Mattress. Crafted with 3 layers of viscoelastic memory foam, it promises comfort and support. Measuring 80x36x6, this mattress fits standard hospital beds perfectly. The included hospital-grade nylon cover ensures durability and easy cleaning. Ideal for patients needing pressure relief and enhanced sleeping conditions. Experience restful nights and improved well-being with this quality mattress. Advantages: offers exceptional pressure relief for better comfort and care. Perfect for patients who need extended bed rest. 3-layered viscoelastic memory foam enhances support and durability. Ensures a restful and supportive sleep experience. Hospital-grade nylon cover provides protection and easy cleaning. Keeps the mattress in top condition with minimal effort. Designed for hospital use, it's ideal for home care too. A great choice for anyone seeking professional-level comfort. List number 3. Pack Bed Pads for Incontinence Positioning Bed Pad with handles for lift and transfer. Reusable waterproof bed pads. Experience comfort and convenience with our 2-pack bed pads for incontinence. These pads include handles, making lifting and transferring easy. They are reusable and waterproof, ensuring protection and durability. Perfect for elderly, hospital, or home care use. Measuring 36 inches by 34 inches, they provide ample coverage. Washable for easy maintenance and lasting freshness. Advantages: ideal for elderly care. These bed pads help care for seniors at home. Handles make lifting easy and comfortable. Durable and reusable. List number 4. PSNOOK Restraints for Dementia Patients. Hospital Bed Restraints for Elderly. PSNOOK restraints offer peace of mind for caregivers of dementia patients. Designed for safety, these restraints help prevent falls. Easy to use, they fit beds universally and can secure hands or feet. Crafted with comfort in mind, they ensure gentle control without discomfort. Ideal for hospitals and home care settings, providing reliable support. Made with durable materials for long-lasting use. Advantages: ensuring safety for dementia patients is vital. PSNOOK restraints provide security. Designed for universal use, they fit hands and feet comfortably. Easy installation on hospital beds enhances patient care efficiency. Durable materials promise long-lasting use and reliability. Restraints offer peace of mind for caregivers and families. List number 5. Orbit Positioning Bed Pad with handles. 34x52 washable. Experience comfort and convenience with the Absorbent Positioning Bed Pad with handles. Designed for seniors, disabled, and bedridden patients, it offers reliable support. This washable, waterproof pad ensures dryness and protection for your bed. Fast-drying material makes it easy to clean and reuse. With sturdy handles, moving patients becomes simpler and safer. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with peace of mind. Advantages: enhancing comfort for seniors, the bed pad is absorbent. Handles provide easy repositioning, aiding caregivers in bed mobility. Waterproof design ensures beds stay dry and fresh. Reusable pads offer cost-saving benefits over disposable alternatives. Fast drying features simplify cleaning and reuse.